Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to buy Ryanair plane tickets in 2023. Ryanair is one of Europe's largest low-cost airlines, offering affordable flights to numerous destinations. If you're planning a trip and want to know how to book your Ryanair ticket efficiently, you are in the right place. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So the first thing this would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. For me, in my case, I'm going to use Brave browser, but of course, in your case, you're going to use whatever browser you have in your PC. Then you will have, of course, to visit the official Ryanair website. You can open your preferred web browser and type ryanair.com as an example, ryanair.com, and hit the enter button. So let's just wait for the page until it's open. As you can see, once you are in the home page, you will see a search form where you can enter your travel details. As you can see, from, to, and you can simply search. Of course, there is the option to choose a return trip, one-way trip, or apply a promo code as an example if you have one. There is even the option to get a car hire, hotels, or events and activities. As you can see here, you will find a lot of their options or their promotions here in their websites if you scroll down and see more. So now you will have, of course, to fill the required informations, including your departure and arrival airport, travel dates also. So as an example, it's said we are going to start from Tangier to, as an example, Spain. Why not? And let's say as an example, we're going to Malaga or Sevilla or whatever it is. Now we'll have to choose, of course, the date. As an example, let's say it's going to be 30 May, and one adult is going to be good. Click on done and click on search. Of course, now they will search for flights that could be possible or good for us. As you can see here, I'll find one flight, but for you, you can explore flight options and choose your preferred one. But before, of course, take your time to ensure the accuracy of your entries so you don't miss anything. And then you can even change the dates from here and then select the flights, of course, that you want. From those two cities, one flight is enough, but of course, if you're choosing two popular cities, you might find a lot of plane tickets that you can choose from and explore your options from. So after entering your travel details, click on search button as we did, and you'll be presented with a list of available flights based on your criteria. For me, I have just one, but of course, for you, you can take your time comparing the option, considering the factors like flight times and prices and any additional service or benefits offered. And of course, once you choose your desired flight, as an example for me, is going to be this. So it just selects here. You will be prompted to select your fare type. Ryanair offers several fare options such as Standard Plus, as you can see, regular, value, Flexi Plus, and for other flights you might find like another option. So each with a different benefits and service. Choose the fare type that suits your needs, and you can also add extras like seat selection, priority boarding, or check baggage if desired. So as you can see, if you choose the normal one, just value, one small bag, you will just travel for this price. And of course, this is my local currency, so don't mind that. For you, it's gonna be like a $16. And of course, if you like get more options, this will get a more expensive, but it's not gonna be that expensive. Of course, this normal value, it's gonna come with one small bag only, must fit under the seat. This is the dimension of the bags. The bag, and of course, the regular one will get you priority and two cabin bags. Board first, 10 kilogram bag in bag, and one small bag. And of course, a reversed seat as well. You can specify row available. And of course, there's the plus option, which will let you include a 20 kilogram chicken bag and a small bag as well as reserved seat. Specify or specific rows available. 20 kilogram chicken bags drop back at chicken in desk and free chicken at the airport up to 40 minutes before your flight. And of course, there's the most expensive one, which is Flexi Plus. No flight change fee. Even if you want to change your flight, there is no fees. You can do that for free. If your plan change, you can so can your booking. As you can see, no flight change fee when changing flights online up to 2.5 hours pre-departure, or at the airports, up to 40 minutes pre-departure. Only pay the fare difference if applicable. And of course, our most flexible bundle also includes priority and two cabin bags reserved any seat type and free check-in at the airports. As an example, I'm just going to choose this one. For you, you can choose whatever suits you. As an example, of course, you can here upgrade to the regular fare, or you want just the normal one. So for me, I'm just going to continue with the value fare. And here, of course, you will have to log in if you want or sign up into your account. So if you have an account, make sure to log in into it. And if you don't have an account, you can always sign up as well. And of course, you can even log in later if you want. Simply, you'll have to fill here now the title, if you are Miss or Mrs. or Mr. And so choose whatever suits you. And of course, if you need a special assistance, you can simply select this option as an example. For me, I don't need that. So here I'll just have to fill my first name, then last name, then simply click on continue. So for you, of course, the final steps is simply to provide some necessary passenger informations, including names, contact details, and any special requirements. After verifying the details, proceed to the payment page, and it's going to be pretty easy. Of course, Ryanair accepts various payment methods, including credit card and alternative options, so follow the prompts to complete your purchase. As you can see for me, I can here select the options that I want. Of course, I can select another seat as an example and add a little bit of money if I want a better seat. As you can see, this is going to be an extra large room. I can get that. And as you can see, those are going to be the whole seats on the plane. So you can choose whatever available for you. Of course, those in gray are already reserved. So once you choose your seats as an example, it's going to be, as an example, just choose this one. And here, click and continue. And as you can see, they will take us to another page. As you can see here, we can choose if we want this or this. And of course, if you need to check in any bags, you can just answer those questions, then simply click and continue. For me, I didn't choose anything here. So of course, let's just choose this as an example, then just let's just like that and click and continue. Now, we can even skip the security queue with a dedicated fast track line. Of course, you have here some frequently asked questions. Fact, how do I know its fast track is available? And a lot of other questions. You can read them all by your own. And of course, there is even here the insurance plus, the annual insurance, and the standard insurance, which will include, of course, the medical expensive and the personal belongings and unexpected cancellation. And of course, if you paid more, you will get more benefits, as an example. Once you select all you want, you can simply click and continue. And here you'll find your ideal car. If you want a car as an example, if you don't want to, you can simply click and continue again. And you will be kind of good to go. So here you'll have to enter your email address, or you can even continue with Google, Facebook, PayPal, or just enter your email address, password, and you'll have to pay for your flight and you'll be good to go. So once you've done this, congratulations, you've successfully learned how to buy Ryanair plane tickets in 2023 by visiting the official Ryan website, entering your travel details, exploring your flight option, selecting your fare type, providing passenger details, and making the payment. You can easily book your ticket for an upcoming adventure. Thank you for watching and happy travels. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one.